Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix bug cannot get 3 stars in Shibuya Showstopper. So if we go here, we should see a Shibuya, basically the thing here. You need to participate in this event right here. So let's wait until it loads up. And now guys, if I go here, I can easily take a photo of the car in the air along with the drifting. So if you're getting error, I will show you what you need to do first after I will do this photo here. So as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. Now all the adjectives is completed. So basically, if you're getting this bug here, so guys, if you're not getting 3 stars, if we go on collection journal here, you need to have car collection thing here unlocked. And to unlock car collection journal, you need to participate in Horizon Festival and have minimum yellow wristband or a green wristband, and then you'll get 3 stars. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like.